Ingakho siyibiza ngenkondlo ngoba njengophezulu iyasibhekela iphindiswana. Sanibonani. Igama nguSpirit. Sakhula sithandana. Ngithi ngimtholile uMaqondana. Kanti siyakhohlisana. Sinomakhelwane siyabambisana. Ngikhumbula sidansela iphathaphatha. Ngakunika inhliziyo yami wayithatha. Lashone yakho wangayiletha. Ngadlalwa nguwena ungenza isithutha. Sathembisana ukuthi sizofonelana njengoba sesiqhathana nomakhelwane nabakhe abantwana. Kweyakho inhliziyo ngaxoshwa nguwena. Wayethanda ukuthi forever yena. Ngithi mina forever wena. Kanti wena unguyena. Awufuni ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya. Sengihlalela wena ungishaye ujabulisa umakhelwane ethi uyangilaya because now alone I stand in a crowded world as a silent figure. No one can hear my screams nor see my bruises. Day by day I'm a punching bag in every kind of way. It's strange how I won't leave. I don't think I can live without him. Please help me seek and escape because if you blink I'll be 6 feet deep. Veins deep. Veins heal. Blood drips. Blood dries. And tears gush down my face while I'm left with scars. I feel dead inside. Remembering when I cried, these scars are a reminder of my lost pride. It's been a while since I felt alive. I'm at the peak, no, let me speak, it's too much. The pride, the privilege, the power. It all goes to his head. Respect is not fear. Indoda Aikali is figurative. It's a highlightation of responsibility upon he. The masculinity. The choice of decision. The title, head of the house. I can't take it. He walks bold, proud and mighty. But how many times has she gotten ill because of him? She had buried his fears, secrets and weaknesses to the bottom of her heart. Yet he buried her 6 feet deep underground. The audacity. He wants to rule. How can he always win? He sees himself as king. Well, your majesty, can I bow when you pass? Tell me how low I should go. I bet you'd be pleased to hear me say so. Do you remember who you learned in Qatar? What about Nostalgia Mjadel? Those are the sheep we lost because of he that was caused. He caused us angels. What take them apart? What take them apart is also figurative. Your renovations on her body and face are not impressive because now, even to you, she's no longer attractive. When you realize she's not who you want to build with, madoda sabelani seside nesikhathi